Hello from Germany. Today the van is going to get some love, but first of all we need to fill up our water. And we're at a natural spring here, and the water actually comes out sparkling. It's kind of crazy. It's crazy. If you're wondering where we are, we're near Koblenz, which is also very near our next destination.
How is it?
Getting there.
People are just stopping by cars and just to fill up the bottles.
Yeah.
People say on Google reviews that it is the best spring water in this area or something. Bubbles.
As you can see, it's a bit cloudy. There's a storm coming in, but hopefully it doesn't interrupt our plans. Let's go. Oh. Hello. Right, this is Marcel.
Hi there.
We met online on an online game, Grand Theft Auto, like over 10 years ago, and in 2016 I came over here and visited him, and we've been buddies ever since. He's going to help us out, giving the van some love today, but we're standing in the pouring rain right now because we're waiting for our delivery driver. Hello!
Hello. No, it's us.
He's got our oil and he didn't go to the right place. Luckily we could see him on the tracker. Legend.
Madness.
Ah. While we're just waiting for the van to drip off a bit, I'm just going to give the headlights a quick polish because they're starting to get a little bit cloudy. I did these originally when we got the van, but yeah, they've seen a lot of sun and they're just looking a bit bad. So a quick polish and it should be looking nice again. Now I'm going to get under there, take it on the tray and drain the oil because the Doblo is getting an oil change.
It should fit you though.
Universal.
Nice.
Should too.
face. Lovely. Did you get that?
Yeah. Drip of what?
Water.
Oh.
I guess I didn't untie it from there.
Halbe Kilometer wahrscheinlich.
Oh, bitte.
Das Strecken wird ja wohl nichts gewesen.
Ja, doch.
Ja.
Good catch.
I got a bit on my fingers. Not too bad.
Oma, braun oder black?
Oh, that's hella black.
Could I get a bit of paper towel, please?
Sure enough.
Deep black.
How much paper towel?
Just a bit. A little bit.
You're gonna get a couple.
Okay.
Then you try. Ich war mir nicht sicher, ob ich ihn schon eingeräumt hatte oder nicht. Deswegen.
Habe ich letztens noch Handschuhe sortiert.
Got a ratchet already?
Yeah.
Big one or small one?
Big one.
Ooh.
No, that's fine. Just the drillings are different, I think.
Just slightly bigger.
Is it? You reckon it's gonna fit?
Yeah. Okay.
You didn't make much of a mess, did you?
No mess.
No mess.
Nothing on the floor.
Perfect. Lovely.
It feels great putting new oil inside.
How's it looking?
I think it's there. Right, the weather has turned much nicer now. You can see headlights looking nice again. The oil's down, topped it up, checked it again.
But can you hear it?
Okay, I guess our water pump does not like sparkling water.
I guess not.
Let me try and open it. Don't know. It's not gonna be all pressured up in there, is it?
Yeah.
No. So like, I think it must be too much air inside
So, Oma.
or something.
Okay.
Tina. Tschüss.
Cheers.
Oma.
Tschüss.
Next time.
Bye bye.
Right. Okay.
Back to the point. Does
No.
not like sparkling water.
I guess. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, it's fine. We just have to get some normal water from someone. Easy.
From David.
Maybe it builds up a little bit. And
Yeah, it does. Well, I'm just gonna
you know
try.
what might actually be
Wash my hands.
also happening? The pump is spinning, right?
Mm.
And it might be bubbling the water up
Yeah.
and then just sucking air.
Yeah. Well, you learn something new every day.
Apparently that is the case.
Let's see if it's. Right. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you.
A bit more.
Maybe you need to leave the tap open so it vents.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, I don't know.
This is unfortunate.
It's fine. We can just give someone 20 litres of sparkling water in exchange.
Or we can take a bath in it.
Ooh, sparkling bath. Alright, so the van's all done. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Always helps me out whenever
Break shit.
always helps me out whenever we're here. And actually helped me fix the van when we first got it. So yeah, thank you again. And we'll see you soon.
Yes, a couple of days, actually.
Yeah.
Until then.
Bye.